Kia ora, and welcome to Fly By Me News. I'm your presenter, on-the-spot reporter, and director, all in one. I am pokemonBALLOON. Today on Fly By Me News, we'll be venturing into the deep, wild, unexplored forests of Asia, documenting it all, and telling you all about its myths and legends. To our on-the-spot reporter, pokemonBALLOON. Kia ora, I'm pokemonBALLOON, your on-the-spot reporter. Today I'm going to take you through the wild jungles of Asia and to document it all and tell you all about its myths and legends. Here we go. It's beautiful here. All the trees. It's very much alive. I'm going to tell you a legend now about this tree. First of all, I'll tell you some facts. These bottles are hung in the trees for music. They are full of different kinds of materials from the earth. In this case, it's water and plain dirt. On the ground here, we have this bottle. That the rope holding it together has obviously rotten. Inside, it looks like some kind of rotten fruit. Well, not rotten, because it's preserved from the air inside. But some kind of fruit. It has obviously been smashed to pieces by something. There's another one down here. This one looks like it is full, sounds like it is full, of rocks and stones, which makes a beautiful sound. The water one is very deep, a very deep sound, and the dirt is a very light, mild sound. Now for the legend. Well, for the facts first. This tree is believed to be the villagers here. It's their meeting tree. It is obvious why. It is very big. One meal that the villagers are supposed to have eaten are, believe it or not, monkeys. Yes, monkeys. Exactly like this one. This one is only a model, but to show you what they do look like. They don't come out when humans are around, you see. So, but you can often hear them, though never see them. So, there you have it, you heard it. And we're back. Now for the legend. If you see these beautiful metal plates on this tree, we believe that they had a legend that at noon, when the sun comes through the trees, it is not noon obviously now, but when the sun comes through the trees, it was supposed to reflect off these metal plates into the gods of that live in here's eyes, to blind them and keep the villagers safe. It is also thought that if it was noon and no sun appeared to reflect on these metal plates, or if a metal plate didn't reflect off, that one villager would die that very day. Now, isn't that scary? This tree is a beautiful tree. And obviously, years and years ago, it must have been very small. But these branches must have all been there for these plates to be on. And these bottles. No one knows quite why these stones are here, all in rows. We think it is some kind of legend, but are not sure what. There are lots of beautiful trees and bushes in this garden of a forest. It is beautiful. Moving on through the forest, you can sometimes see artifacts, like that china jug just over there. There also seems to be the look of a white cross, maybe to protect them from the demons and gods that roamed here. If we go through another part of the forest, this part seems to have quite a lot of unfinished huts, or parts of huts that may have been overgrown. If you look just in there, it seems like it has been completely overgrown or unfinished. This is supposedly where the villagers slept. Here is another interesting thing. These berries were supposed to be one of the things that the villagers ate. This one's not ripe yet, but in a few days it will go to a beautiful cherry red, and that is when it is ready to eat. Isn't it beautiful? So there's another hut in there. This has been your on-the-spot reporter, pokemonBALLOON. Thank you, pokemonBALLOON, for that exciting run through the forest. As for the rest of the program for Fly By Me News, because it is called Fly By Me News, we have to fly. This news is very short for those who do not know, because you can just fly by it and you still get to catch up on everything that's been happening. In this case, it was the discoveries of Phalastasia forests. Thank you for coming to Fly By Me News. We'll be back on same time, same place tomorrow. Bye!